So Ray is cooking us up some veggies for dinner in his solar cooker. It's an awesome beast of a cooker. You just kind of aim it at the sun over there and hope that the clouds get out of the way long enough to cook the veggies. So you have to be a little bit patient for this to work, but you can see where Ray lives here at Jackrabbit Springs. There's a lot of sun and not much else here. Yeah, there's a lot of sun here, so plenty of fuel for this one. Not so good in Cleveland, but pretty darn good here. So I'm looking forward to having some yummy veggies for dinner. More on UncleMud.com.